Make some noise for the Desi Boys!
Hi, this is Bosco and it's day one on Desi Boys. We're doing the title track.
The Boys!
We did an introduction sequence where Akshay and John come on the bike. They kind of rule this party.
Let's go, come on!
The title song, strangely, was cracked in 5 days.
It's a great song. I've been told this is a big blockbuster song.
Perfect, perfect.
Make some noise for the Desi Boys! 1, 2, 3, go!
I want all the whole Eros to go on.
Pritam has given a fabulous music for Desi Boys. And Rohit and Pritam have sat and worked and given us the best music. As I spoke to Bosco also, who's done the choreography, he said, ma'am, it's going to rock.
I think we're just having a lot of fun, Akshay, me and the whole team. We're just having a lot of fun doing it.
Akshay and John, both of them look outstanding.
It's very hot.
If we can pan over there, there's some pretty ladies who are sleeping.
The day I wrote my draft, like actually what I narrated to Akshay on the phone was that song.
Hi, day 3, really hot. You see the girls are struggling. Everybody's trying to get the shade. Our director is just behind and he says, Rose interview de raha hai, kaam nahi kar raha hai.
Because of the recession and the global crisis, 2 men turn to the oldest profession ever and they become entertaining escorts at these bachelorette parties and they fulfill women's costume fantasies by dressing up as Air Force pilots, Yuvraj Dhoni, firefighters. They even go to a swimsuit pool party and they even dress up as superheroes. So this is exactly what I narrated to him.
Get the bikes.
I think it was Rohit's vision. In his story, he had these sequences, these situations that were going to happen in the song. And we just gave it a visual and executed it. So I think unless we didn't have the bass, nothing would move further.
Okay, let's go. Ready? Action! Girls! Got it, beautiful. Superb.
Bosco came up with a really fun thing of them biting the bats off, ripping the bats off.
5, 6, 7, action! Got it. ऐसा पहले से निकाल के रखा था। Action! Got it, nice.
Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice.
तुम ऐसे लड़ पड़े अंदर।
What, how are you feeling though?
I'm thinking that both of us hold your hand, we'll get that visual thing like of. Yeah, like this. Are you okay? Yeah. You're okay? Sure. Any problem? You.
Touch.
I'm not jumping. If you're going. John, he can put you this also.
Me as a producer have to follow whatever Rohit says and I believe in him.
Okay, day 5, lot of drama. So you saw Akshay and John coming as firefighters. A very dramatic visual.
Bosco, damn, we can't spend 2 days in a warehouse, man, boiling, you know, with the heat out there and all that stuff. And I said, warehouse, how are we going to make a warehouse glamorous? Bosco just said, Rohit, trust me, the warehouse will be a really kick-ass portion, which it ended up being, you know, and all credit to him.
Pritam has given us a fantastic track. And we see something really cool, really dramatic happening. And the song itself blends into a situation. We're having fun doing this song, and there's some great moves, and John and Akshay have danced so well.
And I told him, Bosco, I'm giving you a hit song. I need kick-ass dance moves. I need a hook step which children are going to catch on to. And people are in the north and all have to really love that step of English Thumke, Dil Ki Rhythm Pe.
1, 2, 3, go!
Yeah, this is much better, much better.
1, 2, 3, go!
Okay, superb. Back up! Back up के बाद तो स्टेज के लिए बोल दिया.
To watch more, log on to www.erosentertainment.com.